very sorry about that. We'll make it up to you. We'll keep this short and sharp to preserve your ticket. This year we have, first of all, let me extend my congratulations to everyone. So, tanya kepada semua pelajar kami kerana berjaya untuk EduSafe. 恭喜我们所有的学生得奖，因为你们在学校表现很好，所以恭喜。On the right, on the right is our new logo. That animal that.
Lion King Now and Lion King Yo, congratulations. Congratulations. Come on, guys, let's keep the applause going. We're coming almost to the end of our ceremony. Thank you. Our next recipient are Razia Nabila binti Muhammad Anis dengan Ruwa Wahida binti Muhammad Anis. Kami. Jada, C. Congratulations.